have to make sure that you transform your active income, use that so that you can invest it and create passive income for you. Paano natin siya gagawin? Through rental properties and co-op investing. So I have my friend here, Sir Nes. 2000 to 2008 concierge siya, no? Naging events organizer 2010 to 2016, back for good ng 2017, and 2023, full retirement na siya at 45 years old. Okay? I taught him how to put up an apartment. He chose simple living and saved and invested, no, wisely. 4 million pesos in 10 years. Ang key lang po talaga, ang hurdle rate when we take a look at investments is 7%. That's the key, no? 7% return. So ang sinave niya in those 20 years is 24,000 pesos monthly. 2.88 million lang talaga yung receive niya kasi yung 1.12 million doon in that span of 10 years, yan po ay interest. So time is of the essence when you start investing. Kaya the sooner that you can do it, gawin niyo siya. So ngayon, si Sir Nes is back in Ilocos Norte and he is fully retired. So that's the first one, rental properties, no? The second one is to go into co-op investments, no? Kasi marami pupunta sa stock market. This is how the stock market performed. If you put up 1 million pesos in 2005, it will only be worth 3.08 million as of last year. The investment that I put in cooperatives in 2005 with 1 million pesos, it's now 8.78 million pesos. Hindi masarap sabihin na may investment ako sa kooperatiba. It sounds boring, it sounds na hindi social, di ba? Mas masarap sabihin na meron akong stock investment, pero mas maraming kita.